Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are coloring alphabets. First we are using the color of blue. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we are mixing the color of blue. Small letter alphabet A. A for apple. The next one is B. B for ball. B for bat. Kids, the next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. Subscribe to our channel. D for dog, D for doll. And the next one is E. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The next one is G. Small letter alphabets G. The next one is H. H for hand, I for ice, I for ice cream. The next one is J. J for jackfruit. And the next one is K. K for king, K for kite. The next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. And the next one is M. M for moon, M for mangoes. Now we are coloring the alphabet of N. N for nose, N for nest. And the last one is O. O for orange, O for octopus. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel.